Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech, and in this video we're going to be looking at the IGCSE ICT May-June 2020, the first variant of paper 2 document production. Okay, so you will need candidate source files which have been provided, and please, instructions are very important, so please students always go to the instructions. The total mark for this paper is 80. So let's dive in. You have been supplied with the following source files. Okay, so these are the source files that you have been supplied with. So please, it's important that you just want to glance through to check that if those source files are there. Okay. Task 1, evidence document. Open the file J2120 evidence.rotf. Okay. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Okay, so I'm just going to have this. I think I have it on the background already. No, you don't have it. So here, okay, so I have it here. Okay, so I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to click on header and footer, because any question they said, make sure it will appear on every page of this document. So obviously it can be in the header or it can be in the footer. So I'm just going to click the header, 3 columns, Ajiro. My center number is AN017, A for Ajiro, N for ND. Candidate number, I use the year of recording of the video, 2023. Save this document in your work area as J2120 followed by your candidate number. So let's do that. So click on file, click on save as. It's already on Word document because I've done the mail match. So I'm just going to add my candidate number 2023 and I'm going to save this. Okay. You will need to place screenshots in this evidence document. So let's go ahead. Task 2, document. You are going to edit a report, right? The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. One paragraph style has been created and applied. 1 additional paragraph style must be created and applied to the report as instructed. Okay, open the file J2120 MTB. So let's open it. For the purpose of this video, it's already opened the background. Okay, so let's look for it. Yes, I have it here. Okay, enable editing. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 centimeters margin. Do not make any changes to this setting, so please don't tamper with it. Ensure your measurement unit is in centimeter, and if it's not a centimeter and you're having issues, please, you could just write in the comment section. You could just type it. I'll probably do a special video on it, but I've done it in other previous videos during the course of my practicals. But if you're watching this, you could just want to just give a sneak peek to the other videos as well. Okay, so save the document in your work area, okay, in the format of the software you're using with the file name MTB study. Obviously in your exam you're going to have the hard copy paper and you will need to type it exactly the way it is, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to copy it. Okay, so I have it as copy. Okay, copy, and I'm just going to do that. So I'll click on file, click on save as. I'm going to paste this here. Now save this document in the work area in the format of the software you are using. So let's do that. So I'm going to change this to Word document and I'm going to save this. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that this file has been saved. make sure there's evidence of the file type. So let's do that. So I'm just going to click the view and make it details, and I'll right click on sort by date modified. So we have this here, and I'm just going to take my snipping tool, click on new, done. Nope. I just need to adjust this. Yep. And this is better. So I'm just going to take it again. Okay. Yes. Obviously, it's very important. Still okay with it. No, shouldn't show that. Obviously, in your exam, it will be in your desktop environment, and they're going to see your name as part of the location of the file. Now, I'm pasting this in evidence one. The whole essence we're doing this is so that they can see where this file is currently saved in your laptop, to know that probably you did the work and you were not copying it for someone else. Okay. All right. So this is done. Place in the header your name, center number, and candidate number left align. So in the header, we're going to do that. Click on insert, header, 3 columns, left align. So I have Ajiro, ND, comma, center number AN017, comma, 2023. So this is my details. Left align, automated page number, right align. So I'm just going to click right here, page number, current position, and plain number. Any other thing on the header? Nope. Because I said make sure that all the alignments match the page margin. So let's check grid lines to check that they match. It's fine. They do. So I'll check this. No other text or placeholders are included in the headers or footer areas. So let me take this off. So this is the text, and there are no placeholders like text box right there. Close. Headers are displayed on all pages. So this is done. Create and store the following styles, basing each on the default paragraph style. Okay, so we have the style name, we have the font style, font size. Now alignment, enhancement, line spacing, space before and space after. Now we have just 3, and now let's work on it. Now I have my MB title. I'll click on copy, and I'm going to create the style. Okay, basing each on normal, and I'm going to click right here the A plus to create. I'm going to paste it. The font style, we have 2 categories of the font style for document production. We have the sans serif and we have the serif. For the sans serif, they have straight edges, which is the area. For your serif, they have little ticks on each of the letters, and we use the Times New Roman. Okay, so we have the sans serif, which is the area. The font size is in point 36. Done. Alignment is center, Enhancement is bold. Single line spacing, this is double, so change it. This is 1.5 spacing, not double. 1.5 spacing. Space before and space after. Let's check. Yeah, we like it the way it is. Done. Created. Go back to normal. Create a new one. We'll call it the MB subhead. We're going to copy this. Font style, the sans serif, that's our area 18. Alignment is center. Enhancement is italics. What? Underline, okay. Single line spacing. For some reason, that normal has been defined as 1.5 line spacing, so you have to be careful. Even when you're basing it on normal, you still have to be careful because with what I'm saying in this paper, their normal is 1.5 line spacing, which is for normal, and there's a need for you to ensure that it is at just a single line. Okay, you don't want to make any mistakes, trust me. Space after is 6, so let's do that. Click on paragraph. After here is 6, so that's fine with me. And then click OK. So we're going to create the MB body. Click on normal. Paste it. Serif, the Times New Roman is there. 12 points. No, that's 11. 12. For the font size, alignment is justified. So click on paragraph, change the line to justified. Okay. Enhancement is none. Is a single line spacing, please. Space after is 6. We're going to click on OK. So that's done. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that these style settings have been defined for the MB subhead style. Make sure that this style is based on the default paragraph style. Okay, so we're going to place in the evidence document a screenshot to show that this style have been defined for the MB subhead style. So for the MB subhead, we're going to right click, modifier, and cross check. So sans serif area 18, center, italics underline, single line spacing, and space after is 6. So we can do that. We just take this. Done. Evidence 2. Okay. display these custom style names as a list in the style manager or organizer. So we're going to display this custom style name as a list in the style manager organizer. We're going to provide screenshot evidence of this list, okay? And we're going to place it in evidence 3 because we're placing the screenshot in our evidence document. It has to be a list, okay? So obviously what they mean is they need a screenshot of this, not this, okay? So I'm just going to and I'm going to take the screenshot. Done. This is going to be in evidence 3. Okay. At the start of the document, enter the title, Mountain Bike Study. Just going to copy it. The start of the document. So right here, I'm going to click on enter and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to apply the MB title style to this text. Done. Enter your name immediately after the subtitle revised by okay, and the name subtitle has already been created, I noticed, stored and applied to the subtitle text. Modify the MB subtitle style so only the following formatting is applied. So let's do that. So for the MB subtitle, I'm just going to modify it. Subtitle, click here, right click on it and click on modify. And I have the sans serif, which is the area. Font size is 18. Okay. Alignment is right. Single line spacing. Space before and after is 0. No paragraph. Obviously, I'm going to take this cell. Click on OK. Apply. Okay. So for some reason it seems not to be applied. Hopefully maybe it's an error from my part because they said the name has been created, stored and applied to the subtitle text, but clearly I didn't see that. So hopefully it's error from my end, but when you're practicing along, hopefully you're going to observe something different, or if it's the same, let me know. If it's something different, it's fine. If it's the same, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So place in your evidence document a screenshot of these style settings for MB subtitle style. Okay. Right click, modify. Okay. Area 18. So we have this. This is why it's important to always check, because the enhancement there is not underlined but italics. Okay, and it has a single line spacing, and the paragraph is there. That is why it's always important to always check. Okay, to always check. Very, very important to always double check. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to take the screenshot, but I have to apply it. Okay, to the subtitle, and I'll take my screenshot. Done. And I'm placing this in evidence 4. Okay, done. So that was easy, but then again, like I said, it's important when you're creating your style, especially the ones that you have to take screenshot. Just go over it again and observe that it doesn't kill to actually double check your work, and that helps you. Apply the MB body style to the rest of the document. So let's do that. Done. Apply the square shape bullet to the text form. Increase cardiovascular fitness. Okay, let's see if I'm going to just look for it. To probably reduce stress level, anxiety, and depression. Okay, now the step we're going to apply the square shape bullet. Okay, so let's do that. So right here on that paragraph, I'm going to click here for bullets, and I'm going to click the square shape. Done. Okay, the square shape. Now make sure that the bullets are indented 2 centimeters from the left margin. With a hanging indent, apply if text wraps to a second line. Okay, so let's do that. So right here I'm going to click the paragraph. Now I have the bullets are indented 2 centimeters from the left. So right here before text, I'm going to increase it to 2 centimeters. Done. With a hanging indent, apply if the text wraps to the second line. The list in a single line spacing with no space between the lines. There is a 6-point space after the last item. So obviously I'm just going to undo this and done. So after this I'm going to create a 6-point. Done. Because there is 6-point space after the last item in the list. So let's do that. So we are done with that. Identify the 5 subheadings in the document and apply the MB subhead style to each one. So let's identify them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the page layout so that the subheading Global Market Growth and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns. Now, we are changing the page layout so that the subheading Global Market Growth okay, and all following text is displayed in 2 columns. To click on layout, click on columns, more columns, 2 columns of equal width with 1 centimeter space between the column, 2 column, 1 centimeter space between them. Done. Okay, this is okay. Locate and copy the sentence. Locate and copy the sentence. 1 many reasons many people to a lifelong adventure, so that it appears as a new paragraph after the text. So let's pay attention. Locate and copy the sentence. 1 many reasons many people. 1 reason many people. So let's search. So that was a shortcut. To do that, I click to my home. Under findings, I go to find 1 many or 1 reason many people to a lifelong adventure. Okay, so looking at copy the sentence. 1 many people to a lifelong adventure. So I'm just going to copy this from here to here. Copy so that it appears as a paragraph after the text. Just going to find it. Mental and emotional health. So it's going to appear as a new paragraph after the text. So I'll click on enter and I'm going to paste it. Okay, done. Okay, that's new. Using the data in the file j2120growth.csv, create a vertical bar chart. So let's do that. Okay, j2120growth. Going to open it, make a quick pause. Okay, I'm going to save it as an Excel workbook because obviously we want to carry out some work on it. But am I? Okay. Just to adjust it. All right. Create a vertical bar chart to show the forecast growth of cross-county events only for the year 2020 to 2023. Cross-county. Okay. All right. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to select the cross-county for the year. So we have the category axis and the value axis. So I'll click on insert right here, and I'm going to click on the vertical bar chart. Nope. This is better. Okay. So obviously this, I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to format the axis. The numbers should show. Right click and select data, edit it, and I'm going to select this. Done. This is better. It's going to save this. Label the chart with the title growth in the cross county events. Obviously in your exam you're going to type it, but for the purpose of this practical, I'm just going to paste it. I'll paste it here, click here, Ctrl plus E to select all, and Ctrl plus V to paste. That seems fine by me. Format the value axis scale to display the title, numbers of events. So right there, I'm going to click on plus, which is the chart elements, and the axis title, the vertical, click here. So I will click on it, and I'll paste it. Okay. A minimum value of 9,000. So if I click on the chart, I'm just going to format. Click here, right click and format axis. Should be minimum of what? 9,000. A maximum of 10,500. Increment of 250. Change the major here to 250. Okay. So that's 3 marks done. Display only the value title as the label, as the data labels above each bar. Do not display category axis, title, or a legend. Click on plus, data labels outside end. no categories title is there, and there are no legends. Okay. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending a number of course count country events. I'm just going to click on editing, find a number, or rather number of, okay, so obviously it's going to be here. To close this, and I'm going to hit on my enter. We're going to add inside the chart after the paragraph ending. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to copy my chart, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, let me see if I can just paste it. Pasting it makes it worse. So obviously I'm going to put a picture. Okay, so a picture is better. Okay, so most of the time you could use the other painting options, or you can make it a picture. Okay, click on view, click on grid lines. I want to ensure they fit. Yep, this is good. Now because it's important because all the charts and all data fits within the column width, and all data labels are displayed in full with no overlapping. That is why it's important that you put it right here. If you check other paste options and they're not giving you exactly the way it is right here, please, you can use the picture format. Okay, all right, I think we're done with that. That's done. All right, 17, import the image J2 120 rider. We're importing the image. But we know we're importing it to, and place it in the paragraph beginning most races are organized. So I'm just going to click on home, go down to editing, I'll click on most races are, so I'm going to put it here, close, it's going to be there. So I insert the image, it is placed in the paragraph beginning most races are organized. Crop, okay, you know what, let me just import it. Click on insert pictures, this image. Okay, done. Crop the image to remove the top third, right? We're copying the image to remove the top third, most of the sky, that is most of the sky above the cloud. Okay, now now obviously if you watch my previous videos, you will know that I explain image editing and how you can go about it. Now we have the top here, we have the middle, and we have the bottom. Now this is the top third, this is the bottom third, whichever one. So because now they gave you example, they said most of the skies are above the clouds. Okay, so we're going to crop the image to remove the top third. So to do that, I'm going to crop it, click on crop, and I'm just going to remove right here to, it's fine, yes, done. Just going to take this little, yes, done. Now format the image so that it is resized to a width of 3.5 centimeters. So let's do that. So right here, this is your shape width, this is your shape height, and under the shape width we're going to resize it to 3.5, maintaining the aspect ratio. Okay, the width of 3.5, it is aligned to the left of the column, top of the paragraph starting most races are organized, the text wrap around the image. So let's do that. So we have it here as a square, so make it tight, good. Okay, so this is done. Format the paragraph that starts research has shown. So I am going to click on editing, fine, research has shown. Shown what? Okay, so it has shown what? Okay, so right here, but let me check. The research has shown, so format the paragraph that starts research has shown so that it's okay. So right here, okay, so that it is indented 1 centimeter from both the left and right of the column. Okay, and we're going to display an external 3.4 black borders. You know, I think what this means now is we're formatting the paragraph that starts research has shown so that it is indented 1 centimeter from both the left and right of the column. So let's see what we have to do. So obviously we are going to format this to this, but let's see. Okay, so we are formatting that, right? We're formatting that starts research has shown. Okay, so we're formatting this paragraph, and from here we're going to, okay, so that it is indented 1 centimeter from both the left and right. Okay, so I'll click my paragraph here. I'm going to indent it 1 centimeter and also 1 centimeter. Okay, and we're going to display an external 3.4 point black border. Okay, click on OK, and I'm going to click on right here under home borders, and I'm going to click borders and grids and shading. I'm going to click the outside box. Now notice that when you click on the box, right, you're going to see that it's only going to apply to text. You don't want text, you want it to be applied to the paragraph. There's a difference. If you're doing text, it's going to apply to each line of text. But if you change it to paragraph, it's going to apply to the whole paragraph, right? So an extent of 3.4 point black border, right? So we'll change the width here. 3 point is okay, by me. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. So we have this here, and that's fine. So this is good. Spell check and proofread the document. So let's spell check and let's proofread the document. So I'm going to click on review spellings and grammar. Okay, 94. Let's see grammar. What could be the problem? In general, okay, this is fine. What else? Clarity was held, is expected, I expected, I encourage, that's good. Punctuation and conversions, no, it's fine. Anxiety, nope, it's okay. Resume, no, we don't want that. So I think we are done with our work, and we have proofread and we have spell checked the work. The list and chart and paragraph with the outside borders, the list, the chart and paragraph with the outside borders are not split over columns or pages. We have to make sure that is okay. So let's go through the list. Fine, they are not split over columns or pages. The chart as well is not. The borders as well is not. Okay, there are no windows or orphans. Obviously there are no windows because we have a text here. Okay, there are no blank pages. Spelling is consistent between all items, that's fine. Now save the document with the file name used in step 1. Okay, there are no windows or orphans, so let's look at what we can do, because we're having this right here and we're having some spaces here. I think the chart can be able to enter, so let's see what we can do here. So I'm just going to reduce the chart, and yep, it enters. Okay, you know what, let me just copy this, copy it again, and paste it. Okay, so I think this doesn't work. You know what, so let me just do this. um Obviously I'm just going to, let's see what happens. Nope, it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a picture, and I'm going to adjust it. Okay, I think I can adjust it here. Good. Let me see. Nope. But I think I can do it this. Okay, let me click on the picture and let me just nope. Okay, I think this is better. This is okay. I think it can be seen. I just want to be sure. So obviously you just have to be careful because you want it to be this way it is, and so we just have to just apply some. Let's go to our grid lines. So I'm maintaining that. So this is fine. This is fine by me. I'm just going to uncheck the grid lines, and so this is fine. Yeah, so this is fine. So we have the that page to be 2. So that's okay. Okay, so we have it right here to be 2, which is fine. And the pages are justified, so there's no way to so it's okay. I think it's okay. We've done a good job. So pages is the spaces is consistent between all items, and of course we have done a good job on that. So we are going to save the document using the file name and format using step 1. So let's scroll down. In step 1 we have it as mtb study. Okay, mtb study. So so that's that. We've done that. Save the document and print the document. Okay, which is the last thing to do. Now make sure your name, center number, and candidate number are on your report. So let's ensure that the name, center number, candidate number are there in the report. Okay, so we're good to go, and we're just going to print this. Okay, I'm just going to copy it. Click on file, click on save, click on file, click on print, and going to print this. I think printer 1. I just want to be sure that this is where the paper is. Nope, it's the wrong paper. Okay, I just have to go back to feelers just to look for it. It's not going to take much time. Yep, May, June 21. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to save. Okay, so obviously if we come to have a sneak peek at it, we could see that it's been okay. It's been okay. We've done a good job following the instructions of the work. Okay, just to go back to it. Okay, so with that, we bring us to the end of this paper, and please do well to 31 marks. It's been high, it's been quite tough, but well, we skate through. So please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more IGCSE ICT practical videos. Okay.